afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you, ma'am?
Fine, Shreya. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
see, children, last
Yes,
class
ma'am.
we just have completed that portion. Okay, we just have completed that portion,
That
and
portion
next
finished.
day, that means Wednesday, we will begin the last lesson. See, children, only one more lesson for your SA1 examination. Okay, that is the revolt of 1857. The revolt of 1857.
Ma'am,
Okay.
India.
Hmm?
Okay, ma'am.
What
Okay.
is the
So one more chapter. So total 5 chapters. First chapter representing the earth. Second one climatic zones. Okay.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
one more
Different
chapter,
climatic
that
zones.
is the revolt of 1857.
We are skipping that European
Yes.
expedition.
That portion is not included in the syllabus. Okay. Last year it was there, but this year it is not there. Okay.
European
Expedition.
Okay, ma'am.
that chapter is being
Expedition.
missed. Yes. It's
Yes,
left
ma'am.
out. Okay. Only the revolt of 1857. Okay. More to
A
study.
new chapter today.
No. Wednesday.
So today we are going to revise.
Yes.
Ma'am, European
The
expedition
same
to
chapter,
India.
the same things.
That is not there.
Ma'am, my internet
European
is Ma'am, my
expedition
internet
of
is
India is not there.
No.
To study.
Only one chapter. Only one more chapter in this term. That is revolt of 1857.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the 5th chapter also we are skipping. Freedom struggle also we are going to skip.
Yeah. Only one more chapter. And second term, only 2 chapters they have removed. That I will inform you that time. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And so much sounds are coming. Someone is not.
Children, mute your audio and sit. Mute your audio.
Ma'am, what's the meaning of revolt?
It's a revolution. Not a revolution. We have studied in the first chapter. It has entered different
Yes,
meaning
ma'am.
for this revolt. Okay, the people
Ma'am,
of a
you said
country.
that.
Yes.
Ma'am, you had
The
said
people
that.
of country is going in something, an action, a rebellion, means a strike. Okay, that we will explain while we start the new chapter. Okay, see, children,
Okay.
last class we were discussing about the torrid zone forest layers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
To
ma'am.
reach on.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay, we know that the trees,
studied
okay,
that and
the
finished.
vegetation of torrid zone, we can see
Rubber
huge,
trees,
Yes.
mahogany
tall
trees,
trees.
all and all.
Yes,
etc.
huge tree, means huge,
Tree.
tall trees can be seen
Mahogany
in the
tree, ma'am.
torrid zone.
Rubber trees and mahogany trees.
Rubber,
Rubber
mahogany,
trees,
all.
mahogany.
Okay,
And they
yes,
have
Bamboo.
bamboo. Okay, all such trees can be
Bamboo.
seen in the torrid zone.
They have
Okay,
trees.
as the torrid zone receive plenty of sunlight and
Sunlight.
rainfall.
And
Okay, a
rainfall.
variety of wide variety of plants and trees can be seen in the torrid zone.
Torrid
And
zone.
we have just discussed about the layers of the
Yes. Yes.
the first, here
For
it is
floor.
topmost layer. Okay, topmost layer. Okay, very tall trees. Okay, very tall
Mahogany
trees.
trees and
Yeah,
rubber
yes.
trees. etc.
And it receives a lot of sunlight.
Sunlight.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
What
The topmost
they-
layer, it
Direct
receives
sunlight.
a lot of sunlight.
And like vertical
Okay, because it is very tall.
Tall.
Okay, and second layer.
canopy.
Yes, canopies. It forms a roof. Okay, it
Canopy layer.
forms a roof or canopy. Okay, mostly trees, tree tops and branches. Okay,
Yes,
in
ma'am.
the
Tree
second
top.
layer, we can see the tree tops and the branches. It forms
Yes,
a
ma'am.
canopy. Yes.
Oh,
Ma'am,
okay, ma'am.
what is the
Yes,
meaning
ma'am.
of canopy?
Yeah, it's a branches. It's about branches. Okay, it forms like a
Ma'am.
roof.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And yes, who is calling me?
Someone is calling.
No one, ma'am.
Okay.
No, no,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then here
And the
the
story
third
layer.
layer.
The story.
Yeah.
And the story.
All trees like shrubs. Have you studied about shrubs and
ma'am.
creepers?
Thorny and
Yes, yes.
thorny and stuff forest.
Yes, creepers,
Yes,
creepers. Okay, so this layer forms the creepers and the shrubs. Okay,
Excuse me,
yes,
ma'am.
densest part or the thick part of the forest.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, in the textbook, it is not mentioned the third layer and fourth layer.
Ah,
Yes,
yeah, yeah.
ma'am,
It
wildlife.
is something I have
After the
taken from only
vegetation-
this picture. You
Ma'am?
just listen, children. It's
Ma'am,
I have
after the
taken from the.
vegetation, it is showing wildlife only. That and not there.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, but you listen to me, children. Here, the second layer, it mainly belongs to the shrubs and the creepers. Okay, and here, the last one, we all know that.
Roots,
Yes, roots. Okay,
bushes.
roots. Okay, and fallen leaves. Roots and fallen leaves can be seen
They
in
have
this
broad
bottom
leaves.
layer. It is the
Ma'am, then
bottom
they-
layer.
Bottom
Okay,
layer. Ma'am.
yes,
Bottom
bottom
layer.
layer. So the topmost layer,
very hot.
layer, it is tree tops. Tree tops. As the trees in the torrid zone, see children, all of you mute your audio and sit and listen to me. See children, all the trees are very huge and tall. Okay, the topmost layer, it's receiving a lot of sunlight. Okay, then the second layer forms a canopy, the branches. Okay, it forms a roof. Okay, it roof mostly the tree tops and the branches. Okay, here this layer forms shrubs and creepers. Okay,
Ma'am,
the second
also
layer,
use
third
shrubs and
layer.
creepers.
Yes, yes.
Shrubs and creepers.
Yeah, it's a means type
Creepers
of plants.
means it will go like this way in the trees
creeping.
and all.
Ma'am, creeper is a plant.
Yeah. Creepers, there are many
And
plants.
then shrubs also there. Shrubs means what?
Creepers, and I think you have studied in science all such plants. See children, some
Yes,
of you
ma'am, I
have not
studied.
muted. Okay, now it's okay. Who is not muted? And last, it is roof. Okay, roof and fallen leaves. Okay, roots and fallen leaves can be seen in the last, that means bottom layer. Okay, so bottom layer, roots and fallen leaves. Second layer, shrubs and creepers. Third one, yes, wait, Sri Shankar. Third layer forms a canopy with branches, and topmost layer, okay, is getting or means heavy sunlight. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. We
And
are
this
arranged.
emergent layer is very hot.
Not very hot. They are
Topmost
receiving.
layer.
Yes, as in the
Receiving.
top. Okay, they are receiving the direct sunlight, but it's not so hot. Okay, as usual temperature. Okay, but they are getting.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, how we are arranging these layers? Come down to up or up
No,
to down?
there is nothing. See, children, the first layer, we know that it is roots and the fallen leaves can be seen. This means at the bottom layer, we can see the
We are starting from the bottom.
roots and the fallen leaves, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and the second layer, shrubs, means shrubs are short plants. Okay, not like huge plants like bamboo, mahogany and all. Okay, then canopy, that means the branches according to the height. So yeah, depending upon the height. Okay, and the last layer, it is affecting the means topmost layer, it is getting the
Very hot.
direct
Receiving
sunlight.
very hot.
Okay.
Receiving ma'am?
Thank you, ma'am.
Receiving is getting, is affecting. Okay, and the temperate zone, grasslands. Okay, grasslands can be found in the temperate zone. The climate it is dry. Okay, we have
Dry
studied
climate.
about the difference between weather and the climate, right? Do you remember
Yes,
that?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so the climate
Day-to-day
is,
condition.
yeah, yes. The climate it is dry. Okay, in
And
the
there is in
grasslands.
South America are
Okay,
some grasslands.
yes, yes. And when
Full of
winds
grass are
blow,
covered.
the
It is
dry
called
grass rub against each other. When the hot wind blows, the dry grass rub against each other and catches fire.
And forest
Ma'am, they are
fire will
saying
happen
it
there.
Yes,
Forest fire.
yes.
They are
And
saying
grass
It will
roots
destroy and it will destroy the trees.
so much trees.
Yes,
Forest fire will
but
destroy.
the grasslands, okay, it grasslands, its roots, grass root do not get destroyed by the fire.
Ma'am, because it is in the soil.
And it will, yes, and it will regrow again after some time. During the winter time, it will regrow
Regrow.
again.
ma'am,
Okay.
all are, ma'am, some are saying with you, ma'am.
Yes.
Some are saying
Ma'am,
with you.
ma'am, this is the temperate zone.
Huh? Yes.
He's asking, this is the temperature zone. She's asking.
This is
We are
temperate
discussing
zone.
about the vegetation in different climatic zone. The torrid zone, we have just discussed the layers of the torrid zone. Okay, torrid zone, we know that the trees are very huge and tall, right? And we can see a wide variety of trees. Okay, in the temperate zone, grasslands. Okay, temperate zone, we can see the grasslands. And the grasslands, the temperate zone, the climate is dry. Okay. And then when wind blows, the dry grass rub against each other and it will catches fire very easily.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Then it will destroy the trees. Okay. But here in the grasslands, the grass root do not get destroyed by the fire.
Fire.
Okay, because it will regrow again. Okay, then we are moving to the frigid zone. We know that there is only two seasons, that is means summer and winter.
Winter's extreme.
Okay, winter means that extreme cold. Okay, yes, and no plants grow during this extreme cold weather. Okay, and animals have two ways to survive in an extreme cold weather. Either they need to migrate
Migrate or hibernation.
or they need to go for
Hibernation.
hibernation. Migration means that they will move from that
To one place to another.
Okay, they will
Hibernation
migrate
means
to
they'll
another
be
place
sleeping.
to get. Yes, children, please mute your audio. Okay, migration means that they will move from that place to another place where they get more warm. Okay, and also food. Okay, and hibernation, they will go for a deep sleep. And they will not lose their energy, or they will not waste for their energy only, means they will waste for energy only for breathing. Okay.
And then they will be
By
hibernating
hibernation.
for 6 months.
You know that different season we are using different types of clothes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Different season we are using different types of clothes. Yes. Who is this?
Is calling you.
Who is calling me?
Renova is calling you.
Renova, do you want to say something? See children, effect of climatic zones on human life. That means we know that depending upon our atmosphere, means depending upon the climate, we used to wear the different types of clothes. Okay, and the torrid zone, we know that as we are experiencing hot, very hot. Okay, we used to wear cotton clothes. Okay, we used to wear cotton clothes.
Clothes.
Okay, that will absorb our sweat very easily.
And give us very cold. It will be very cold.
Ah.
We used to
Cotton
wear
clothes.
this
Why
in
we are
summer
using
and all
cotton
we'll wear
clothes
it.
in during
Summer.
summer? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, summer.
Why we are using cotton clothes during summer?
Forgetting
Very
cold and they will
Very
absorb
hot.
Cotton clothes absorb
So
our
fill
sweat
up
very
with the
easily.
It
cold
helps
Okay,
you
it gives us
escape
more,
the heat easily.
cool. Means it will absorb our sweat very easily.
Very
During hot
Most of the
season.
people wear white dress. White dress.
Okay, then the temperate zone. Okay, cotton clothes during summer and woolen clothes which give us more warm. Okay, during the winter time. Okay, so the temperate zone, cotton clothes they will use during summer
disturbing sound.
and woolen clothes
Someone
in
didn't.
during the winter time. Okay,
Winter time.
then the frigid zone we know that is
Very
fully
cold.
yes, very cold.
Yes.
So woolen
Some
clothes
animals
that
can only
cover
survive in the
most of
fridge
our
zone.
body.
Woolen
And
clothes.
some animals
Clothes
can
which
only
give us-
survive in the fridge zone. Some animals.
Mm. Okay, then shelter, the place where we live. Okay,
Igloo.
in the frigid
etc.
zone, people live in
Igloos.
igloos. Okay,
And
frigid zone,
igloo is
people
very
will live
cold.
in igloos.
Excuse
Okay,
me,
made
ma'am.
of ice, made of snow.
I'm in penguins
I
and
mean, made of ice blocks. Same.
One doubt, ma'am.
Ask me.
Ma'am, igloo people will be inside it. They will.
Yes, people
They
live
will be
inside
very
it.
cold.
Yes,
Will be
they
inside.
don't feel means that
Excuse
thermal
me, ma'am.
conductivity.
Live in.
See, children,
Excuse me,
listen
ma'am.
to me.
Where lives in igloo?
Children, listen to me. Okay,
Excuse
igloos,
me,
the
ma'am.
thermal conductivity is very low, so that people will get warm inside the igloo. Okay, thermal conductivity is very low that you will study in your future
Excuse me,
classes.
ma'am.
Okay, yes.
Reno is calling you again.
Renova, what is your problem? Ask me.
It's very small.
Again, she missed. She left.
She
See,
said,
in the,
she
so
keeps
children,
saying small letters.
Very small letter.
All letters.
now is it okay?
She's now small. Oh, like that, man.
Yeah.
Understood.
Like small letters
In
and
the
all.
torrid
You want
zone,
to know she
Thank you.
the torrid zone, people live in slit houses. Okay, this is
And
the here
because
is the
of
picture of the split houses.
and
Split houses are houses raised on tilt over the surface of a body. Means that here we can see stilts. Okay, can you see the picture?
yes, ma'am.
What, ma'am?
Okay.
Yes,
It
ma'am.
was
Yes,
built-
ma'am.
the
We
house
can
was
see.
built on a raised platform. Yes, the house was built on a
And to protect.
raised platform. Okay.
Ma'am, someone is
Protection
saying,
against
ma'am.
flooding. As a protection.
Reading.
This, yes,
For the protection.
type of building is
Protection against the flooding.
yes. Okay, means that if this tilt houses protect us from flood. Okay, see children,
Yes, ma'am.
the platform was raised, okay, from the ground. Okay, the platform, it was raised from the ground. Okay, so in the torrid zone, people live in stilt houses as we are receiving plenty of
Excuse me, ma'am.
rainfall. The rainfall, heavy rainfall, it is available in torrid zone. Okay, so there is enough chance for flood. Okay, so
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, Shreya.
Excuse me, ma'am. In the stilt house, they can handle the big houses and all, big things and all, heavy things.
Yes.
Can they handle?
Yeah, they can handle.
I mean flood and all people will use because it is very big.
It is very big means that it has, see, long stilts.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So
See,
it is
children,
called still house.
Yes. So that it is
Means
called
so
stilt
much
house. See, children,
woods
recently have you seen in the television, means news in televisions and all? See, just means 1 week
Yes,
before we
ma'am.
have
In
seen.
news,
Oh,
soil
yes.
erosion news,
Yes.
flooding and all I see.
Okay, many of the people
So much
from
people
Pathanamthitta, Idukki, Kuttanad, that places and all, you know, they were affected by the flood, right? Last year we ourselves had affected, some places were
No, ma'am.
affected by
Yes,
flood.
ma'am. Yes,
Okay, so
ma'am.
just as a precaution in such areas, okay, they will use to build the stilt house. Okay, their platform they will raised on stilts. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay.
Ma'am, is wild animal.
Yes. Okay, children, we have completed the chapter.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I think most of the questions we have finished.
Excuse
Only-
me, ma'am. One more doubt, ma'am.
Ask
In
me,
our
Shreya.
Ma'am,
for
how the
this
baby of
lesson.
that, ma'am, how the babies of that animals can survive? The
How the
baby, they are
baby,
small, right?
Ma'am, any notes is there for this lesson?
babies of Shreya?
Ma'am, ma'am, how can the babies of animals in frigid zone can survive?
See polar
Babies
bear.
of
See polar bear. How can it survive on an extreme cold weather?
Ma'am, because
it
it has cold fur. It has
Yeah,
hot
its
fur.
its
Very
body
powerful
conditions
fur.
it is adapted to
By fur.
survive in that extreme cold weather. Okay,
Okay.
it
Yes,
has
ma'am, its fur can
thick
survive.
fur to protect it from the extreme
Extreme
cold weather.
cold.
Okay,
Ma'am, why
so the
snowy owl and all?
babies also have the same for same physical condition that can be adapted to an extreme cold condition.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
They
so
can
yes,
survive.
only that animals that could survive in an extreme weather condition only can adapt to that situation, right? Only such animals can be seen in frigid zone. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Other
Clear.
animals
Okay, ma'am.
means that polar bear, Arctic tern, penguin, seal.
And then
Okay,
seal.
only such
Ma'am,
animals can
snowy
be
owl
seen
can-
in the
Ma'am,
extreme. Means can be
ma'am,
survive in an
snowy
extreme.
owl can survive. Snowy owl.
Which one? Reindeers.
Snowy
Reindeers
owl.
can survive.
Ma'am, snowy owl.
Snowy owl. Yeah.
Snowy
Yes.
owl.
Penguin and all.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
it's
So
very.
such animals can be survive in an extreme cold weather. Only that animals can be seen in the torrid zone. Sorry, frigid zone.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, others will die. Others will die.
Their physical condition is suitable
Ma'am,
to
other animals will die.
unless other animals if they can't survive, they can't survive. And even during extreme weather, what they will do, extreme winter condition, they will migrate to some other place.
Ma'am,
Okay,
ma'am,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, children, till where we have completed the question answers.
Ma'am, squid is wild animal. A fish will die.
Ma'am, what, ma'am?
Which till
Yes,
which questions
we
we have
finished
completed?
14.
Ma'am,
14 A and B, ma'am. 14 A and B only.
Till
14 A
14
and B.
A and B. Let me take children.
page number.
Workbook.
Page number.
Can you read the question, Shreya? 14th one. Yes, identify the animals, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
That.
Identify the animals. Mention the
Yes, ma'am, A and
climatic
B.
zones they are found.
First one. First one is
Vishnu,
slow.
how are you, Vishnu?
Ma'am, this one. Ma'am, I am fine.
Have your all problems solved? Is being solved?
Yes,
Problem. Which problem, ma'am?
He was frequently calling me. He's not getting notes, English literature notes. Then his website, he can't open the website.
Ma'am, I sent
There were
him.
some issues.
I sent.
Now, nowadays, I'm not getting any message and call by Vishnu. So that I just asked. Okay, children, the next question, multiple choice question.
Ma'am, C and D also there, ma'am, 14.
Ah, yes, C and D. The C, what is the picture C?
Seal.
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 Seal. Okay, and in which climatic zone it is seen?
Torrid zone.
No, frigid zone.
Seal,
Frigid
seal.
zone. Frigid zone.
Ah, frigid zone. Okay, seal. We can see it in frigid. No need to write now. I will send the notes. I'm just clearing the questions. Okay. The D.
Camel.
See the picture. See the picture. I have showed you this picture before. Llama. Yes, llama. And which zone? Which zone?
Temperature zone.
Temperature. Okay. Then, which of this following is not required in frigid zone? Options are given: scarf, gloves, cotton trousers, sweater.
Cotton stuff.
Yes. Cotton trousers. Cotton we do not want in frigid zone. Okay, it's used in which zone? Torrid zone. Torrid zone we are using the cotton clothes. Okay. Then Mala recently visited another country. She saw that the leaves of the trees had started to fall. Okay. In which zone does the country lie?
South temperature zone.
Very good, very good. That is the correct answer. B is the answer, south temperate zone. We can see the trees shedding their leaves. Okay. Then, 17th question. During the winter, the Arctic tern moves to warmer places. Okay. In which zone do you think the Arctic tern lives? Moves to means that migrate. She is migrating.
The migrate to
Why
another.
does it move to a warmer place? Which zone she belongs? Means which zone she is?
Torrid zone.
Torrid zone.
Torrid zone.
Temperature
Torrid zone. Torrid zone.
Temperature zone.
Torrid zone.
Migration. See, children, we have just discussed. Listen to me. We have just listened about migration and hibernation. What do you mean by migration?
Moving from one place to another.
To another in order to escape from the extreme cold weather. Okay, so Arctic tern moves from one place to another place. Why she is moving from that place to another place?
Echo is coming.
Which climatic zone?
Echo is coming.
Ma'am, the time is over, ma'am.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Echo is coming.
Clear this last question. The Arctic tern lives in the frigid zone. The Arctic tern lives in the frigid zone. And it moves from
One place to
another country to get more warm. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Even today I will send the now it's I will send the completed notes. All complete the notes. Write it in your workbook. Okay. See,
Okay,
are
ma'am.
you ready for a text
Okay, ma'am.
test?
Okay, ma'am.
Wednesday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will conduct a short test.
Ma'am, this chapter. Okay, ma'am.
Which chapter
lesson?
Okay, ma'am. Chapter second 2.2.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay.